Hi, this is Ina Gjikondi, and I'm the Director for Executive Education and Coaching at the George Washington University Center for Excellence in Public Leadership. I'm also the Director of the Eco Leadership Coaching Certification Program that holds a vision for one humanity, a vision for unity in the world. Unity means to be one. That comes from the Latin word unus. And the sense of unity is more than needed in our country and in the world right now. And I'd like to invite you to think about unity as a personal affair, something that has to do with you. Each of us can actually practice unity and think of it as a day-to-day activity. It's not an esoteric concept. The way I think of unity is when I start judging, I'm in conversation with the other and something pops up and I separate from the other. That at that moment, I'm not in unity. I'm separate. I'm not holding the other in compassion. So my invitation to you is think, when am I in unity? Or as you engage in your day-to-day activities, catch yourself in that moment and say, was I in unity in this conversation? Did I hold the other in compassion? Did I judge? Did I close down my heart? Look for those little signs, because these are signs and opportunities for us to practice. There's no perfect us, but there is us in progress. And I'll leave you with that question. Think about what unity means to you and how you can contribute to a larger vision of unity, a larger vision of one humanity in the world. Check out our program, the Eco Leadership Coaching Certification, for more information. We start our new cohort in April 1st.